Good morning, and welcome to the Crawford County Board of Commissioners meeting for December 24th. We'll start with the Pledge of Allegiance with Commissioner Shell.
All rise.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you, Scott.
I need approval of the minutes from the full session on December 11th, 2024.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call. Yes.
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 I need approval of the minutes from the work session on December 18th, 2024.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Seely?
Yes.
Shell?
Yes.
Henry?
Yes. I need approval of payment of bills of $4,870,903.77 for the period ending December 23rd, 2024.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Shell?
Yes.
Henry?
Yes.
Seely?
Yes.
There were no executive sessions. Any public comment? Courtney? No? Okay, we're going to add one thing to the agenda today, so I'd like to make an amendment to, and add it to 7C, which is the CCDAEC is requesting additional funding from the opioid settlement dollars for a correctional counselor to help assist in the MAT program for people of in opioid use disorder. The total amount is $38,066.78. Mr. Glatch will speak of this at 7C. That's my motion.
I will second that
So
motion.
properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry?
Yes.
Seely?
Yes.
Shell?
Yes.
Okay, we'll start with the Drug and Alcohol Commission. Thank you, Jim.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Good morning, Jim.
Hi.
Christmas.
So, Crawford County Drug and Alcohol Executive Commission is requesting the funding of opioid settlement funds for the following three programs. The first one is the Center of Excellence Case Manager's salary. This person will be out in the community along with working in-house. It's a position that's just been created and one that we need to have on top of our other case managers. That comes to $42,007. We're also requesting funding to...
We'll take one at a time, Jim. We'll take A first.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yep. All right.
Okay. So moved.
Second.
It's been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry?
Yes.
Seely?
Yes.
Shell?
Yes.
Second is, we're requesting funding to assist with payment for medical costs for uninsured and underinsured clients with OUD, with our nurse practitioner during MATs, funding request of $20,000.
So moved.
Second.
It's been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Seely?
Yes.
Shell?
Yes.
Henry?
Yes.
The third is a full-time treatment counselor that assists the county correctional facility. We fund through Medicaid funding, which is not reimbursed because of the way things are set up at the correctional facility for medical care. We've eaten this cost, and we're trying to make sure we continue this, along with potentially adding someone else to assist with MATs from the treatment side. That would run $38,066.78.
Okay. So moved.
Second.
Properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Just thank you, Jim, for working with us so we can get the opioid dollars out in the streets
Yeah.
and into our prison system, which we're really happy about. So thank you. We'll look forward to in the future.
Thank you.
Roll call.
Seely?
Yes.
Shell?
Yes.
Henry?
Yes. Have a good Christmas.
Thank you.
All right, members.
Enjoy your wrapping.
Yeah.
Airport Authority.
Morning, gentlemen.
Morning,
sir.
Mr. Sheets. How are you?
How are you?
Good. Airport Authority is requesting appointment of Jamie to the 4-year position on the board, so we're replacing Chris Junker.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call. Oh, sorry. Did you
Now, how long has Chris Junker been on the airport authority? Out of curiosity?
Chris is about 14 years
Okay.
plus. We think
Seems much
14 to 20. Yeah.
14 to 20.
Yeah,
Okay.
somewhere in there.
Wow.
There's only one Chris Junker.
There
Only one
is.
Chris
Yeah,
Junker.
absolutely.
Yeah.
Roll call.
Thank you.
Shell?
Yes.
Henry?
Yes.
Seely?
Yes.
Thank you, Bob.
Thank
Have a
you,
good Christmas.
gentlemen. Have a
Thanks a
Merry
lot.
Christmas.
Solid Waste Authority.
Good morning, Brenda.
Good morning, Commissioners.
Morning.
How are you?
So we're requesting a few things this morning. First will be the reappointment of Mitra Reese to the Solid Waste Authority.
Go turn it is.
Oh, it's my turn.
I think it's your
Oh,
turn.
I'm so moved.
Second.
Properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry?
Yes.
Seely?
Yes.
Shell?
Yes.
Right, thank you. We're also seeking the designation of Brenda Schmidt of the Solid Waste Authority as the county's recycling coordinator for 2025.
So moved.
Second.
It's been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? Roll call.
Seely,
Yes.
Shell,
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Right, and going hand in hand with that would be obtaining permission to apply for DEP's 903 grant on behalf of the county, which would reimburse the authority for 50% of the approved expenses of the county recycling the coordinator for calendar year 2024.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Shell,
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Seely.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank
Thanks
you.
very much. Merry
Have a good
Christmas.
Christmas. The correctional facility.
Morning, Commissioners.
Morning,
Morning,
Jack.
This morning, I'm seeking to get 2 items ratified. Item A is the contract and tech support for Justice Data Solutions. This contract also includes the annual maintenance agreement of cost of $15,000. This is a budgeted item to be funded through the commissary fund.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Seely,
Yes.
Shell.
Yes.
Second, I'd like to get ratified the purchase of 5 new security cameras, installation and licensing for the MAT program. Purchase price is $7,485. This will be funded through the opioid settlement money. This is not a budgeted item.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Seely,
Yes.
Shell,
Yes.
Henry.
Yes. Thank you. Have a good
Thanks,
Christmas.
Jack.
Thanks, Jack.
The courts.
Good morning, Heidi.
Hi, Heidi.
Seeking ratification this morning for approval of the 2025 AOPC Security Grant Project. Includes an audio-visual system for the juvenile hearing room from D'Agostino Electronic Services for $23,134.47. A laptop from Dell for $992.39, and various electrical and construction materials from Heitco, not to exceed $873.14 for a total of $25,000. It's been pre-approved for reimbursement.
So moved.
Second.
It's been properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Shell,
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Seely.
Yes.
Seeking ratification for the approval of purchase of replacement printer for Judges Chambers, model HP Color Laser Jet Pro MFP 4301 FTW for a maximum $489.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Seely.
Yes.
Shell.
Yes.
And we're seeking ratification for a 1-year service agreement for the security camera system at the NDJ Linesville office from Mobilecom for $343.38.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Seely,
Yes.
Shell.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good
Thanks a
Christmas.
lot.
Public safety.
Morning,
Mr.
Greg.
Beveridge?
Right.
Asking you to approve the payment of $575.44 to Elk County Emergency Services for our portion of the Berry Auto license for our CAD.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Shell.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Seely.
Yes.
Thank you. I'm asking to approve the payment of $1,860 to LSSE for work on the Sugar Lake Tower project.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Seely.
Yes.
Shell.
Yes.
Thank you. And asking to approve the proposal from Mobilecom for construction of the 190-foot communications tower at a cost of $215,158 for the Greaser Road Tower project.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Seely.
Yes.
Shell.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Thank you. And approve the attendance at a CIT training for 911 for Shane Looney in the amount of $250 in January of 2025.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Shell.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Seely.
Yes.
Thank you.
all. Merry
Thanks.
Thanks.
Maintenance. Boy, he just put you right down there, huh? Jeez.
He apologized, he's on a phone call right now, so.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
This morning, I'd like to get approval to hire Mark Johnson Electric to replace lights under the parking deck in the amount of $3,333.30.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Seely.
Yes.
Shell.
Yes.
Next, ratify approval to issue the acceptance certificate for the Mercer Street Bridge deck repair.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Seely.
Yes.
Shell.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Approval to pay Brian J. Noah, project manager, for professional services from 11/1 of '24 to 11/30 of '24 in the amount of $756.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Shell.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Seely.
Yes.
Last thing, approval to accept a proposal from M&M Lawn Care for mowing around the county barns in 2025 at $140 a month.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Seely,
Yes.
Shell.
Yes.
Thank you. Have a good Christmas.
Thanks.
Planning.
Morning, Commissioners.
Good
Well, good morning, Zach.
First item this morning, we're asking for approval to pay Vogue Heating and Cooling in the amount of $976 for training wages. This is paid for out of the whole home repair program.
So moved.
Second.
It's been properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Seely,
Yes.
Shell.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
We're asking for approval to pay Ferguson Construction Company in the amount of $1,152 training wages associated with the whole home repair program.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Shell.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Seely.
Yes.
We're requesting approval to pay the final invoice to Michael Baker International in the amount of $21,672.47 for the 2024 Crawford County Comprehensive Plan and SADO project. This is paid for out of the State Facility Transition Closure Program.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Seely.
Yes.
Shell.
Yes.
We're asking for approval to purchase a Samsung Freestyle projector in the amount of $597.99, paid for out of the State Facility Transition Closure Program.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Seely,
Yes.
Shell.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
We're asking for approval of a contract between Crawford County, Fuller Building Group, and homeowner number 5 for home repairs through the whole home repair program.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Shell.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Seely.
Yes.
We're asking for approval for a contract between Crawford County, QRS Construction, and homeowner number 15 for whole home repair program funds.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Seely.
Yes.
Shell.
Yes.
We're asking for approval of a contract with the Active Aging Foundation of Crawford County for the use of the Lou Davies Center for a public meeting associated with the subdivision and land development ordinance adoption process. The approval includes payment of a $225 facility fee and is paid for out of the State Facility Transition Closure Program.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Seely.
Yes.
Shell.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
We're asking for approval of a resolution to execute a municipal assistance program grant contract with the Pennsylvania Department of Community and Economic Development in the amount of $34,090.50 for the Crawford-inspired character area toolkit project.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Shell.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Seely.
Yes.
We're requesting approval of a resolution executing a municipal assistance program grant contract with the same organization in the amount of $46,674.55 for the Crawford-inspired Data Hub and Blake project.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Seely.
Yes.
Shell.
Yes.
We're requesting approval to create a Planner 1 position in the Crawford County Planning Office.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Seely.
Yes.
Shell.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
We're requesting approval to create a Planner 2 position in the Crawford County Planning Office.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Chris, would you talk about? the
Yep,
grant,
just
please?
to, and I'll ask Zach to chime in a little bit too. Items J and K are tied to items H and I. Both of these positions will be subsidized by grant funding that was acquired through a competitive process through the efforts of our planning staff. And both positions will lean heavily into the implementation of Crawford Inspired, our current comp plan.
Anything else, Dave?
Anything you'd
Yeah,
like to
I
add?
would agree. Both positions are being covered roughly by 1/3 of the grant funds. And these are two positions that in the future we'll be seeking additional funding year after year to help supplement.
Okay. Roll call.
Shell.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Seely.
Yes.
Next, we're asking for approval of a resolution authorizing Crawford County Planning to submit a full application to the Appalachian Regional Commission seeking $764,046 for the county's local industry fundamental training program Phase 1 project.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? I feel more comfortable with the prior ARC stuff, I think we're in a good spot, so
It's getting better.
yeah,
Yeah.
you're
We-
more
and-
comfortable
and
with what.
we have received back a confirmation from ARC that it's going to require a contract change, but that, other than that, they've essentially, the general office has approved all of the match.
And your backup ancillary organization has said that if not,
That
they're-
they will.
Okay, I'm comfortable with that then, okay.
Yeah.
Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Seely.
Yes.
Shell.
Yes.
We're asking to ratify approval of a cooperative education training agreement between Crawford County and Excelic US Meadville to provide career training through Crawford Tech through their cooperative education program. This is covered through the Construction and Industry Workforce Program.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Seely.
Yes.
Shell.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
We're requesting approval to pay an invoice, or ratify payment of an invoice to Adobe Inc. in the amount of $659.88 for a Creative Cloud license for the planning office. This is budgeted.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Shell.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Seely.
Yes.
We're also asking to ratify an invoice for DWG to purchase a 36-inch contact scanner in the amount of $3,485. This is paid for out of the State Facility Transition Closure Program.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Seely.
Yes.
Shell.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thanks,
a
Zach.
lot, Zach.
Human Services.
Morning.
Morning, Sue.
Morning.
I'm seeking approval to change the part-time temporary intellectual disability position to a part-time regular position. This position was originally hired with ARPA funding to help with ID intakes. We were informed that the amount that we were given for this position through ARPA will now be rolled into our yearly allocation.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Seely.
Yes.
Shell.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
I'm seeking approval of the fiscal year 24-25 CYS contract with Crossroads Group Homes and Services Incorporated. We last contracted with them in fiscal year 21-22, but we may be placing a female child with them in the future.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Shell.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Seely.
Yes.
Seeking approval of the fiscal year 24-25 CYS contract with New Life Adolescents. This is a new agency whose residential facility was just licensed and opened on November 21st.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Seely.
Yes.
Shell.
Yes.
I'm
Thank
seeking approval of the fiscal year 24-25 mental health contract with Preventative Aftercare Incorporated. At a previous work session, you signed a contract for George Junior Republic to do our new family-based mental health program. But they actually are operating the program under Preventative Aftercare, so we're just switching the contract name, nothing else is changing.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Seely.
Yes.
Shell.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Finance.
Good morning.
Good
Morning.
For your approval, I have the following. The first is invoice to Community Health Services. It's invoice number 182. It's for the November 2024 trips in the amount of $59,494.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Shell.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Seely.
Yes.
The second, I'm going to ask to hold over until the meeting next week on the 31st. We are about $385,000 out from balancing at this point in time. So just a little more work. I have a plan. It's just functionally getting it done.
Okay. To do that.
Then for your ratification, I have the following. The first is the Crawford County lease policy that was presented last week. We need to get that signed. We've been using it for the past at least 6-ish years plus, just nothing official ever adopted, so.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion?
It was exciting reading.
Roll call.
Seely.
Yes.
Shell.
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
And then we also have an invoice to Verd Technologies. It's number A30129-IN. It's for the Deterra distribution program. It will be paid out of the opioid dollars. The amount is $30,817. This was presented at the 11/13 meeting in the amount of $30,390, so the discrepancy is why we're bringing it.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Shell,
Yes.
Henry,
Yes.
Seely.
Yes.
And would
wanna
you,
add?
Stephanie, would you go over what you want to put on a continuance meeting then, in addition to the budget?
So in addition to the budget for the continuance meeting, I would like to, for ratification, add P-CHIP invoice. It's invoice number IN 2779. It is our termination fees for our switch from our plan we've been using into the ICRA plan. The amount is $557,809.64.
Okay?
Then I also want to add the 2025 mileage reimbursement rate, and we're going to set it at the IRS rate for 2025 of 70 cents per mile for any mileage incurred between 1/1 and 12/31/2025.
Okay?
And then for approval, I have the following. Oh, wait a minute, I'm sorry, those were approval, this is ratification. For ratification, I have the following. It's an invoice to HSBG/EI. It's their 2024 match for Q1 24-25 in the amount of $51,880.82. The second is to Crawford County Human Services. It is their 2024 match for Q1 of 24-25 in the amount of $529,683.67. And the third is to HSBG. It's the 2023 match for Q4 2022-2023. It is a credit in the amount of $71.49.
You couldn't change the credit around with $500,000 in the expenses? That would have been nice to change. So, Keith, do we want to make a motion for that, Keith, to add it to the extension, or is it okay just that we've spoke on it then?
I think it's, you've already done the work session agenda. All you gotta do is give the notice
Okay.
now, which you're doing at this point, and then if you can just publish the agenda on
Okay.
the website and on the bulletin board in the Commissioner's office 24 hours in advance.
Okay, sounds good. That's what we'll do then. Thank you.
Thanks, Kate.
Thank you.
Okay, 17A was just to ratify the, creating the position of interim deputy chief clerk with the position to expire 1/31/2025.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Henry,
Yes.
Seely,
Yes.
Shell.
Yes.
17B is to ratify the change of the title of Diana Perry from per diem voter clerk to per diem voter clerk / interim deputy chief clerk to be effective immediately.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Seely,
Yes.
Shell,
Yes.
Henry.
Yes. Okay.
Requested to approve the appointment of Dr. Michelle Ballas to the Crawford County Fair Board.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion?
Welcome aboard.
Roll call.
Shell,
Yes.
Henry.
Yes.
Seely.
Yes.
Requesting to approve the contract with Echo Valley Fiddle Contest for the 2025 County Fair in the amount of $2,000.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion?
I think for the 2025 county fair was added.
Yeah.
Was it? That wasn't on the work session, so we had to
It was
explain. It wasn't for us, it was
specific,
for.
yes,
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
To specify.
Roll call.
Henry.
Yes.
Seely,
Yes.
Shell.
Yes.
Are new hires and transfers in your packet?
Mr. Chairman, before we do that, we will have to add the millage resolution to the reconvene agenda as
Yes.
well. So that this
Oh,
would
thank
be a
you.
good opportunity to
Go ahead
discuss
and do
that.
that.
Yeah,
Would you,
that also would not require a motion at this time,
Correct. yeah.
similar to the finance items, just to,
Thank you.
just establishing the county tax millage. We do not anticipate that changing, but we just need to readopt that resolution each year. So we will be doing so at our December 31st meeting.
Thank you. Okay. All right, I'll take a motion on new hires and transfers.
Move to adopt.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? Roll call.
Seely,
Yes.
Shell,
Yes.
Henry.
Yes. Okay, for our commissioner information, we will be closed, half day today, and then also Christmas and the day after. A reconvene meeting will be on December 31st. Commissioner comments, Commissioner Seeley.
Sure, just I think the obvious, wishing everybody a very merry and safe holiday season, and just a huge thank you to the staff, to the department heads, and to all of the employees that make this county operate throughout the year. This has been a remarkable year in a lot of ways, a lot of ups and a lot of downs, but that's the reason we succeed, is because of those individuals, often unsung heroes, and I think it's important that we acknowledge that this time of year.
Commissioner Shell.
I would echo Commissioner Seeley's words exactly, and Merry Christmas, everybody.
Thank you. I'd just like to say that we appreciate both those comments. I also appreciate the work from the departments in regards to the budget. It's not an easy task, and Stephanie and Denise have done a good job to get us to where we need to be. Our anticipation will be no tax increase. It will be 5 years in a row for no tax increase, and that's the challenge. And next year will be a challenge. And so we need to start and think about that from day one. That's how it works. And so I just appreciate all the help that everybody's done with that. With that being said, certainly have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I'll take a motion for adjournment.
Well, wait a minute before you do. I want to correct you. That's 6 years in a row.
6 years in a row, I'm sorry.
Without a tax increase.
I'm only putting, yes, that is correct.
The
Thank
record
you.
will show 6 years.
Yes. Motion for adjournment.
Motion
for
to
recess.
So moved, sir.
Second.
We are recessed until the 31st. Thank you.
Until when? Right, oh, I thought you said Thursday.
Thursday.
Happy New Year's Eve. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Yeah, they let me know.
Okay, what do we got going here?
So Ellen, we just determined she's not at the full dollar yet. She still has another 25 cents. Okay. Just wasn't shown a timeline. Thank you for that.
I'm just laughing because usually department heads find out.
They're everywhere.
Nobody
No, it's
said
here
yes
today.
to two.
Right. That's okay.
We can send them a message back by saying, well, when you come to present, you just
There you go.
remember that, you guys are.
That's right.
Christine will be there. Appreciate it.
What?
Oh. Yes, we did have one additional item for commissioners. It was the Bollinger agreement for the retriever maintenance. We will just have to, yeah,
How you all say
sorry about that. I knew I was gonna forget, and I did.
Okay, we're gonna bring the salary board meeting to order for December 24th, 2024. The approval of minutes from the December 11th meeting.
So moved.
Second.
Been properly moved and seconded. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye, opposed, motion carried. There were 2 executive sessions. One on December 10th for the courts and wages, one on December 13th for the Commissioner's Office for a new position and title change. The correctional facilities. I guess you'll be locked up with me.
Request to set the rate for the new hire of Haley Severo and Nicholas Harvey per diem correction officers, adding to the list effective 1/6/2025 is $17 per hour.
So moved.
Second.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye, opposed, motion carried. From the Commissioners and County Departments, I'll set the 2025 rate and salaries for non-union personnel per the attached list effective 1/1/2025, and I so move.
I'll second.
Been properly moved in second. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye, opposed, motion carried. Christine?
I'm asking you to set the 2025 rates and salaries for non-union personnel per the attached list effective 1/1/2025 for the Treasurer's Office.
I will second that motion.
Probably moved in second. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye, opposed, motion carried. The Register Recorder.
Request to set the 2025 rates and salaries for non-union personnel per the attached list effective 1/1/2025.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye, opposed, motion carries. Heidi for the courts.
Y'all are doing fine yourselves.
Well, give us a break from the rest of them we have to do, so.
Wham, bam, make it through. So we're requesting a salary for Tom Yosich, Zoe Babe, Luke Drusilla, Esquires, all full-time law clerks effective January 1, 2025 of $53,500 per year. Also move.
Second.
Properly moved in second. Any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, motion carried. Thank you.
And we're requesting to set the 2025 rates and salaries for non-union personnel for the attached list effective January 1st, 2025.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second, any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, motion carried. Thank you. The clerk reports.
Request to set the 2025 rates and salaries for non-union personnel per the attached list effective 1/1/2025.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second, any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, motion carried. District Attorney.
Request to set the 2025 rates and salaries for non-union personnel per the attached list effective 1/1/2025.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second, any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, motion carried. The commentary.
Emmy did tell me she couldn't make it.
Yeah, she did mention that, so.
Request to set the 2025 rates and salaries for non-union personnel per the attached list effective 1/1/2025.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second, any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, motion carries. Sheriff Powers.
Good morning, sir.
Sure, I'm glad Ellie can talk today.
Yesterday I had no voice.
Dave, when you go back, tell everybody in that building that if you weren't here, we actually deduct 20 cents per hour.
Okay. I'd like to set the rate at 2025 salaries for non-union personnel per attached list effective 1/1/2025.
I will second that motion.
Properly moved in second, any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, motion carried.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You usually
Public defender.
announce public defender, yeah. Request to set the 2025 rates and salaries for non-union personnel per the attached list effective 1/1/2025.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second, any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, motion carried. The Conservation District.
Request to set the 2025 rates and salaries for non-personnel per the attached list effective 1/1/2025.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second, any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, motion carried. Any other business from the salary board? Not, I entertain a motion for adjournment.
So moved.
Second.
We are adjourned, thank you.
Thank you all.
You're welcome.
Bring the retirement board meeting to order for December 24th, 2024. Approval of minutes from the December 11th meeting.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second, any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, motion carried. There were no executive sessions, and then we're ready.
Okay. I'll make a motion for Sam Pendolino, formerly the Juvenile Probation Office, to start retirement 8/26/1990, with a start date of 8/26/1991. Begin his retirement, last date paid 1/23/15, and interest through 12/31/24.
So moved.
Second.
Properly moved in second, any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, motion carried.
Make a motion for David Andrews, formerly Crawford County Correctional Facility, to withdraw his retirement with a start date of 10/1/2021, last date paid, and interest through 11/30/24.
So moved. Second.
Properly moved and seconded. Any discussion?
That's right, yeah.
All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, motion
There's
carried.
a lot of movement up here.
We're good, we're good.
That's right.
Make a motion for Amber Bellotti, formerly Crawford County Correctional Facility, withdraw her retirement, start date of 3/24/2022, with the last date paid and interest through 11/30/2024.
Second.
Properly moved in second, any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, motion carried.
Make a motion to approve the Corn Ferry invoice number 195303471 for November 2024 actuarial services in the amount of $2,237 to be paid for from the retirement checking account.
Second.
Properly moved in second, any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, motion carried.
Make a motion to approve the Corn Ferry invoice number 195305050 for December 2024 actuarial services in the amount of $2,237. This is also to be paid for from the retirement checking account.
Second.
Properly moved in second, any discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, motion carried. Is there other business? I entertain a motion for adjournment.
So moved.
Second.
We are adjourned. Thank you.